Alright, that's P872.
Mark 17, got a medium clear. One Rock's arriving, eastbound 12.
Yeah, don't open. Is the train moving?
Sorry about that. We're going down one track. Going down one track.
Well, yeah, go to 415 when you into emergency. Yeah, go to 415 when into emergency.
Give me a spot. Will do.
Yeah, I'm not kidding, guys. Q415 went into emergency between Dickinson and Barnesville, and if I understand correctly, fucking narco. Safety stop. Dang it. Sorry, guys. I'm trying not to move to come out as much.
Yeah, Q415 is an emergency, so we'll be on one track up at the Bug Lodge. Roger. Another car and a half. One more. We have 72. 20, 10, 5, anywhere in there is fine, 7.
Ah, damn, I can't stop moving coming too much. Damn. Trying not to do as much, kid. I'm trying. I am. There goes P872. Alright,
872, Mark 17, got a clear East Rocks party, One Rocks, eastbound number 1.
Alright, I know I got Q416 on his way. He's already on the Met. He should be here about an hour and a half-ish. Give or take about a minute. Alright, see you guys on the next one.